Hi guys, it's Miss Allison. I am outside. I am ready to see if we can make a volcano erupt. If you would like to do this experiment with me, here are a few things that you need. If you have a sandbox, you can go ahead and make a volcano, which is a big mountain with a hole in the top. If you don't have a sandbox, you can just use a plastic cup or a vase, anything that'll hold a liquid. The other things that you need are baking soda and vinegar. A little bit of liquid dish soap is always fun to have. And these are optional. Some liquid watercolor or some food coloring would work. And glitter. I'm using this big chunky glitter. Normally I use little glitter in the classroom, but I thought this chunky glitter might show up better on camera. I'm not really sure. We'll see how it goes. If you were on our Google Classroom and you saw this image of this book, I read this story. It's Pete the cat, and he tries to make a volcano erupt. So feel free to go and check this out on our Google Classroom. So let's see if we can make this volcano erupt. We're going to first put our little plastic cup into the top of the volcano. I'm doing this because sand is absorbent, and it may absorb our liquid, which is the vinegar. So I'm gonna make sure that sand does not absorb that. So I'm gonna squeeze that in there. And then I'm going to add some baking soda. Baking soda is a base. We're gonna add this to the very top, into the cup of the volcano. And then I'm gonna squeeze in a little bit of dish soap. And we're gonna then add some glitter on top. Now again, this is optional. Ooh, that's a huge piece of glitter. I don't know if we want that in there. Ooh, that's a lot. Alrighty. So again, the glitter is optional. Now, if you're not adding color, go ahead and just pour some vinegar right on in. If you're adding color, you're gonna wanna use a cup. I have a measuring cup just because it's easiest to pour out of. You don't actually have to measure. I'm just gonna add some vinegar and then add some color. Give it a little swirl just to mix it a little. All right, now we're gonna pour this in and see what happens. Whoa. So an acid, which is vinegar, and a base, which is baking soda, cause a chemical reaction that forms a gas called carbon dioxide. And that's what these bubbles are. Pour a little bit more in there. Ooh, there it goes. You can see it still forming and coming out. Very cool. When I'm in the classroom, usually the kids are chanting, add more vinegar, add more vinegar. Yeah, because the base does last a while, so you can keep adding more vinegar if you want. But yeah, so go ahead and check out the story Pete the Cat on the Google Classroom, and I hope you guys had a lot of fun exploring with a base and an acid, making a gas, which is already almost done here. Let me just pour a little bit more in there for you guys. Whoa! There it goes. It can keep going and going and going. All right, well, I hope you guys enjoyed our experiment. I'll see you guys next time.